A whole can be split into 100 equal parts, and parts of the whole can be represented by equivalent fractions, decimals, and percents. For example, the shaded bar represents one whole cheese stick. The whole bar can be split into 100 equal parts, where one of the equal parts is 1 divided by 100, or 1/100th of the whole cheese stick. Written as a decimal, one of the equal parts is 0.01, or 1/100th of the whole cheese stick. Since the term percent stands for out of 100, 1 out of 100 equal parts is 1% of the whole cheese stick. So, 1 over 100, 0.01, and 1% are equivalent ways to represent 1 out of 100 equal parts. This equivalence can be extended to represent more equal parts. For example, 8 of the 100 equal parts represents 8 over 100, 0.08, and 8% of a whole cheese stick. 72 of the 100 equal parts represent 72 over 100, 0.72, and 72% of the whole cheese stick. Note, these equivalent relationships can also be represented by other shapes. In this example, a batch of brownies is baked in a square-shaped pan. If the whole pan of brownies is split into 10 equal parts vertically and 10 equal parts horizontally, the pan of brownies is split into 100 equal parts. So, 99 out of the 100 equal parts is 99 over 100, 0.99, and 99% of the whole pan of brownies. Benchmark fractions, halves, fourths, fifths, and tenths have benchmark decimal and percent equivalents. For example, if the whole cheese stick is split into 2 equal parts, one of the 2 equal parts is 1/2, 0.50, and 50% of the whole cheese stick. Notice that if each half is split in half, the cheese stick is split into 4 equal parts. In this case, the splits on the bar can be labeled with multiples of 1/4, 0.25, and 25%. If the whole bar is first split into 5 equal parts, the splits on the bar can be labeled with multiples of 1/5, 0.20, and 20%. Notice that if each fifth is split in half, the cheese stick is split into 10 equal parts. In this case, the splits on the bar can be labeled with multiples of 1/10, 0.10, and 10%.